to do a push-up on the Smith machine, find a comfortable height for that bar at the incline that you're able to do, placing that bar directly below the chest, keeping the elbows tight to your sides, and stepping back just a few feet. By keeping your feet closer together, you'll make more of the focus on the chest, and by widening the feet, you'll involve the back muscles. So get your foot placement in order and be sure to make sure you come up nice and steady, keeping good breathing patterns and exhaling every time you come up.